Hello, guys, my dear friends. How is everything? Glad to see you again. Welcome to Joe's English class. Let's practice now. I am looking for spoons, spoons, spoons. I am looking for forks, forks, forks. I am looking for rice spoons, rice spoons, rice spoons. He is looking for knives, knives, knives. He is looking for can opener, can opener, can opener. She is looking for plates, plates, plates. She is looking for balls, balls, balls. She is looking for a picture, a picture, a picture. She is looking for spatula, spatula, spatula. You are looking for measuring spoons, measuring spoons, measuring spoons. You are looking for measuring cup, measuring cup, measuring cup. You are looking for sauce jars, sauce jars, sauce jars. You are looking for cake stand, cake stand, cake stand. We are looking for coffee cup, coffee cup, coffee cup. We are looking for soup spoon, soup spoon, soup spoon. We are looking for frying pan, frying pan, frying pan. We are looking for sauce pan, sauce pan, sauce pan. They are looking for salad ball, salad ball, salad ball. They are looking for kitchen rags, kitchen rags, kitchen rags. They are looking for dish rack, dish rack, dish rack. Hi guys, I'm gonna stop here for today. I hope you like the video. Please give me a subscribe, thumbs up, and sharing. Okay, I will see you next time. Bye bye.